Hey friends, I'm Emily, this is No Expert, and today we're doing something a little bit different because we are doing an unboxing video. See, here's what happened. About a month ago, a men's shirtwear brand called Summer Everest reached out to me and asked if I would do an unboxing video in exchange for 4 shirts. And I looked at their website, and I looked at their social media, and their complicated shirts were my exact style. So I said, yeah. And here are the shirts. Let's get in there. All right, and here is everything that was inside the bag. We've got a little Summer Everest card. We've got some free socks, thank you, woohoo. It's a very rad Santa, cool. And not 1, not 2, not 3, but in fact 4 boxes, which makes sense because it was for 4 shirts. Summer Everest, shirts for confident, muscular, and charming men. Oh, this is actually the one I was most excited for. Yes, I'm very drawn to that one. I considered asking them, you've looked at any of my stuff, right? And then I thought, no, I want those shirts.
I want those shirts.
I want those shirts. Oh, this one is already lovely to me. They have a very painterly look in the fabric, which I wasn't expecting.
Really see them?
Oh.
There you go.
4 stunning shirts ready to be examined. We've got what I'm going to call Neon Flamingo, Jungle Flamingo, Peachy Parrot, and Beach House.
That reminds me of Studio Ghibli Beach House.
Yeah, right? That's what I thought too. And it's got a little seagull on it. I guess all of these have birds, which is sort of, on brand for me personally, but right, Dennis? Now, I obviously picked all shirts around one very specific theme, but they actually have all sorts of different designs for many different themes and occasions. So far, this is loosely what I thought I was getting, but more importantly, try them on. So I got a medium and a large, and the large is definitely like a true large, which is nice. A lot of times when you order something from the internet, you don't know what kind of sizing you're gonna get, which is why I ordered both, but this is definitely true large. So the way that I am gonna wear it is probably like this. Cool shirt. Hey, where'd you get that shirt? I like it. I mean, listen, it's not formal wear, but that's not what it's supposed to be, right? Obviously I'm digging it. It's soft, definitely. It's definitely like got that sort of polyester-y feel. Like you're not buying like a fine linen shirt here, but you're not paying for a fine linen shirt either. You're getting a cool, rad, beachy kind of shirt. At Summer Everest, they like to say that you can spend less and buy better shirts. And I have to agree. These Summer Everest shirts are soft and obviously rad as heck. I will certainly be wearing them. And here's how I styled them, if you're curious. If you want one or several of these very rad shirts for yourself, you can go to their website, summereverest.com. I'll have a link down below. And with the shirts revealed, very cool shirts, I will be wearing them. Let's make some Spam Musubi. Here's what I figure. While these are not authentic Aloha shirts in that they're not from Hawaii, they are clearly Aloha shirt inspired, so I thought, let's make one of my favorite Hawaiian snacks. So, for my Musubi, I have this handy little Musubi making tool. You can do it by hand, but it's much, much harder, so I've got the link to the one I bought in the description. Now, ingredients, I have my freshly cooked warm and fluffy rice, I have a tin of Spam that I've sliced, plus nori sheets cut into thirds, furikake, and then soy sauce, sugar, and mirin to make a little teriyaki glaze. First, we'll fry up the Spam till it starts to brown and get a nice crust. Next, I make my sauce. I'll deglaze the pan with mirin and add approximately 1:1 sugar and soy sauce. Stir that all together until it forms a sauce and put my Spam back in the pot for a few minutes until it's nicely glazed. Alright, that's done. Time to assemble. Rough side up, Nori sheet goes first under the musubi press, then rice, a nice sprinkling of furikake. We pull it out, place Spam on top, put a little extra glaze on the Spam, wrap it up, and use the extra glaze to seal. And that's it. Next step is just enjoy. Thanks so much for being here, everybody. I'm Emily. This was my Spam Musubi and unboxing video. If you liked this video, don't forget to slap a thumbs up on it. And while you're down there, hey, why not subscribe? Don't forget that you can check out Summer Everest at the link below. There's also a link to my free monthly newsletter below if you want to sign up for that. And if you want a very cool, different shirt, you can now buy my merch on the shopping tab here or on my spring store. Thanks so much for being here. I hope you're well, and I'll catch up with you later.
Emily, we have to go.